I'd like you to meet someone special to me. She's been my travel partner for the past couple of weeks as I've been exploring the north of Vietnam, and she really hasn't left my side since. She's called Charlie, and she is beautiful. Granted, she is high maintenance, but thanks to her I'm free. And as soon as I got her, I hit the road. I left the big city of Hanoi and headed straight for the mountains, towards a small village called Mai Chau, hidden in the rice paddies. It was a peaceful day until, well, this happened. We got up pretty late the following day, but went straight out to explore the area. Our first stop was some caves we'd heard about from the locals we met the night before. We climbed back out and then went chasing waterfalls. And next thing you know, I was back on the road. But that's the story of how I met Charlie. Until next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to be making a lot more of these videos very soon, so if you could like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, that would really help me out. Alrighty, see you next time.